told you guys I would buy a Christmas tree. I know a lot of you guys initially just right away are like, boy, why did you get such a small tree? I don't know how many of you guys are gonna send decorations, and there's also the postage strike still, which is supposed to be just ended last week, but you never know. We'll start small, and hopefully I get enough ornaments from you guys that either this year or even maybe next year I can just buy a full-size tree and just completely deck it out in ornaments. But check out the first one I got. Is this cheating? I don't think it's cheating. Oh, look at this. It's a key tag engraved, stay committed. And it's from your boy Emerson and Morgan. They went out and got me this as soon as they saw that I was gonna do the subscriber tree. They literally went out and bought me my first ornament. I know it's just from Emerson and Morgan, but it still counts. I'm still stoked. So I went out, picked up a tree. That's my first ornament. Their thought process was, when Christmas is over, I can actually put that on my keys. They're some good friends. So I gotta find a place for this tree that is kind of out of the way for now. Literally no room in this garage all of a sudden. Just constantly doing limbos. I'm gonna leave it right here for now. I'm gonna have to get it a better home, but we gotta get the engine back in and clean this place up a little bit. Anyways, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today is day 1 of Vlogmas. I know that was 2 fingers, but they each have 1. Today is day 1 of Vlogmas, and I'm stoked. For those of you guys that don't know what I'm doing or haven't really heard me mention it, basically I'm just doing Vlogmas. So every day for December you get an upload, except mine cuts off on the 25th. I don't know if most people do the entire month. I go home for Christmas, and I'm already gonna have been home for Christmas for like 3-4 days by the time it's December 25th. So I'm gonna make it work, but like I'm gonna spend some quality time with my family because I never see them. So you guys get till the 25th. Maybe I'll pre-record a couple extras for you in and around. But for Vlogmas, I want to step it up because 2019, I'm planning on changing the style a little bit. Not necessarily changing it in a big way, a bad way, just like I used to really care about the editing, and I used to put my all into the editing and do all this really cool stuff and make it really nice. Well, it wasn't because I was still learning, but that's where my focus was. Then I realized the focus is on the content, the people, me and Emerson, the way I am in front of this camera, the content I bring you guys, and I was like, okay, stop with the focusing in the wrong areas, start focusing in the right areas. So I did that, channel grew, but I want the quality back. So like, you know that little thing I just did right there? I want to bring that back. I like that. I like the just subtle, I used to do that all the time. I just want like the subtle little thing there, like the intro. I just want the whole video just to feel like I scaled it up a little bit. And really, Vlogmas is just a practice for me because like I said, 2019, I want to just up level. Vlogmas is my practice run. Welcome back. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today, we are tearing apart the engine. So can you hear the rain? It's pouring rain outside. Can you guys hear this? Project head gaskets, day 2. There's a lot of stuff we need to touch on today. I can't even explain it all to you. I'm just going to show you as I go, see what we get to. Basically, I want to start just pulling valve covers, I just want to pull the entire motor apart and see what we're dealing with, see what we need. Because I didn't buy gaskets or anything yet because I don't know how much we need. Okay, so there was a bolt missing on this valve cover, I just realized. I only took out 2, but there should have been 3. Yesterday when we took the timing belt cover off, it was missing 4 bolts. Today I just took the valve cover off and I realized it's missing 1 bolt. How do you even mess that up? No wonder this thing's leaking so bad. Oh, well, welcome to Vlogmas. So here you have a nice interior shot of the Subaru Boxer motor. Here you have an entire oil splatter all over the front of my car and all underneath the valve cover. This is literally just the way my life goes. Clean up on aisle 5! Actually, you know what? This looks like new, man. I feel like this motor was recently worked on and they just really didn't do a good job. This is the one part I'm the most scared for, to tell you the truth. I got ahead of myself with this valve cover gasket. I don't know why I took it off yet. I was just really excited to get going, but basically what you have to do is there's some things on this engine that need to be aligned first. And I'm literally watching a video on my phone right now from a shop doing this, and I'm just gonna relay what they're doing to my real life. So I got this little marker lined up to the crack, this actual marker lined up to that marker right there. This one lines up to like the cylinder head, so just basically the split right there in the metal. Emerson, your tools are garbage! Camera's been off for about an hour, literally 1 full hour. Haven't gone anywhere. I don't know what to do. What I've decided is just keep on going. I'm literally just gonna, so the only reason you need to take this pulley off is to do this side. So I'm just gonna take the belt off, take this side off, just start doing something, start getting somewhere with this, and then maybe when Emerson comes over we can figure something else out, or we can pick up a pump if that's what we need to do, like a compressor. For the air tools, I don't know, but I can't get this off without an air gun. This one's missing a bolt too, man. There it is. To get these out, you need a 12-point socket. All my sockets are like this, which is just regular, like 6 points, I guess. But these ones, you need a 12-point socket, which is like that weird looking thing. And I literally have 12-point sockets, but I'm going one size too small. That's a 14 millimeter, and my 12-point sockets go up to 13. So that just seems to be the way today's going. So I guess we gotta go pick up 12-point sockets, and while we're out, we may as well try and get a compressor or something to get that thing off. Like, I have the air tools, I just don't have the compressor, so.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore.
Well, that was a total bust. I guess because it's just like the week after Black Friday. Their websites are all messed up. It says they have like a million things in stock that they don't.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had.
I like the camera.
Pretty sure people just say they like my camera because they're awkward because they know I'm filming.
Well, nobody fixed this while I was gone. So my plan now is to just basically get as much done as possible. I'm less prepared today, I guess. I basically just want to get as far as I can. Maybe we'll find someone with a compressor that can come over and help us get this off. Maybe we'll just completely total this belt. I don't know. I just know I can't afford to go out and spend like a couple $100 on like a compressor and all that stuff today. There's no need for blabbing. Let's just keep working on the motor. The head gasket doesn't look horrible. It's not worth $1 million, but it definitely doesn't look horrible, which is good. I would rather have caught it early when it's just starting to go than, you know, catch it when it's already too late and there's already a bunch of damage. So there's a good look at those greasy old boys. This one looks like, to tell you the truth, we could probably clean it up ourselves. We could probably just run a blade, clean it all up, and it should be okay. These ones all actually look alright. Like, none of these look really stretched, really warped. So yeah, I can't get any farther right now because I can't get that stupid thing off. And like, I don't know, we're gonna have to see what Emerson thinks. What I wanna do is clean. So like the bell housing yesterday, you guys saw it, it's absolutely disgusting. Like, there just shouldn't be oil in the bell housing. It should be dry. That's where your clutch goes. And if your clutch gets wet, your clutch slips, and that shouldn't happen. So I'm gonna try and like clean out some of the stuff from the engine bay too and make it a little bit nicer for when we put this thing back in. The bell housing is about as clean as I can get it, but it looks nice. It's so nice. It's alright. There's still some junk in the bottom. Then the cross member is like cleaned up a bit. It's as good as it's gonna get. I'm literally just making like a mess of gunge on the floor. I just kind of came inside. I got sick of messing around in the garage and just doing things that like weren't really productive. I figured I'd just come inside and start editing. That's okay. I got cleaned up for once. It is date night tonight. Are you ready, babe? Yeah. We're the kind of people that have like one favorite restaurant. Like when we lived in Ontario, we used to go to Jack Astor's. That was like where we ate all the time. And then when I still lived in Ontario and I was working at the dealership, I sold a truck to a lady whose cousin or something owns a restaurant here called Orange, which is like kind of local. And it's just literally taken over Jack's. Like, no matter what we're doing, no matter what the occasion is, when we go for dinner, we go to Orange. But I feel like Vlogmas will be nice because like when we first moved here and I just did videos of me doing random stuff, it was like, a lot of it was like me and Courtney was in like a lot of the videos. And a lot of you guys still don't even know who Courtney is. You're like, oh, who's Courtney? And the reason you don't know her is because she doesn't post half-naked pictures on Instagram all the time. So you guys don't care to go follow her, but just totally fine with both of us. It's just like, I don't know, I think it's funny. She used to be in all the videos like way before, and then she's still in them all the time now. I just more throw her the camera and ask her to film instead of like include her in them. She doesn't care. She doesn't need I don't need her help as much because I have Emerson's help now, which is good. But yeah, if you post half-naked photos more often, you get more attention. That's just a good meme.
Welcome back to Robbie Reviews. What?
Like, it's fine with it off.
But it's gonna be grainy.
Oh, well, like this, you're overexposed.
We're back on Robbie Reviews, restaurant reviews here. Robbie Restaurant Reviews, Triple R. Experience, quality overall, 10 out of 10. No need for a review. Orange, go there. Look who just pulled up trying to rob me while I'm at a dinner. Boy, what you doing here? Hey buddy, what's in your hand?
Stubby wrenches.
Are you gonna take my block apart with stubby wrenches?
Maybe.
What you'll see here, half of a teardown. Well, we're having a party in here. The problem is, none of the drills, none of the friggin' pry bars, nothing can get that off. Honestly, I think whoever just took it apart didn't put it back together right, and that's our issue. What is your plan right now? What are you trying to do? Are you just gonna try and break it off that socket? But see, now you gotta make sure that this is put back. Okay. Good job, mate. I didn't want to break the sprocket. That's okay. You gotta put it back. Well, I didn't want to do that because I thought I'd break this wheel. At least you figured it out, though.
Will never break.
Dude.
You'll probably break the bolt before you break this.
I honestly didn't even try it because I figured I would break either that wheel or the socket that I used. And then you'd be like, why would you put the socket in there? Dumbass, you knew it was gonna break. And I figured if I did it, you'd come over here and there'd be shattered sockets and sprockets and
so accurate.
things, and you'd be like, why would you think you could put that there? So I didn't even try.
So you're just
but at least you did it. Thanks for doing it. You got greasy hands, but I'll give you a fist bump over here. Anyways, you want to take this side off now? Because this side's the worst side. If you look, like the oil leaks and stuff are all on this side, not that side. I have this irrational fear that while I'm doing this, the chain's gonna snap, and I'd rather it just like tickle the ground than fall from a mile. Also, the whole motor's been leaning this way ever since I took that side off. So when I take this off, we're going to swim in some coolant. I feel bad for everybody who left when we went out for dinner. Like left at that portion of the video and thought the video was over.
Yeah, here it comes.
Oh my god, dude, can you get the 10mm and take this thing off quickly, please? This is heavy as hell. The oil drain line. Well, there's some open valves for you. We did it!
So you need to replace this?
Yeah, that's literally it. We tore this entire motor apart to replace gaskets, dude. The stupidest. I feel like that happened kind of abruptly. Like I wasn't expecting this to happen tonight. I didn't think we'd be able to get it here tonight. And then Emerson came over and all of a sudden we're just like, dude, like I didn't even film anything. I gave the camera away, so hopefully there's good footage of it all coming off. At least we got it off, and like I said, that's like the main thing. Now we know what we need. So we just need the 2 head gaskets, 2 intake gaskets to go on the top, because the intake gaskets are just as bad as the head gaskets were. And then we need whatever that gasket is that like seals the bottom of the bell housing to the transmission, because that one's leaking. And that's like it. So pretty much tomorrow I'll go and order all these gaskets. I think they have the head gaskets in the only one I don't think they'll have is the stupid bell housing one. Can you smile for the oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Can you just smile for my thumbnail? I don't know what my video is gonna be called, but you're gonna be the thumbnail. Literally every day I tell myself that I need to go get screws from the garage so I can hang this, and I just haven't yet. I'm being lazy. Today's video is kind of weird. I didn't expect, like when we went out for dinner, I kind of thought the video would kind of just end after that, so I didn't like prep for more to happen, and then Emerson came over and we made more happen, so stoked about that. Good thing we finally got everything off. Now we can look at it. I've already explained to you guys the situation. You guys know this. And Emerson's gonna bring over those tools to check the tolerances like tomorrow, and then we can just check it and make sure it doesn't need to go to a machine shop. If it does, then it's not going back in Monday, but we'll figure that out as it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed the first day of Vlogmas. I know the quality probably went down towards the end as I started filming at night and stuff, but this is kind of like what Vlogmas will entail. Is a little bit more of a step into my life versus just giving you guys the car content. I'm gonna start including a little bit more. It's always gonna be based around cars, but you guys are just gonna get like the little bonus features of my life. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys enjoy it, because actually it doesn't really matter, because that's what you guys are getting from Vlogmas, so I hope you enjoy it. That is it. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Peace out and stay committed.